I dropped out just because I didn't care about school as much as I should have, probably. Then I got out of high school, I was like, well, now it's hard to get a job and stuff like that. I grew up, born and raised here in Wittenberg. Always, tried staying out of trouble, but then made some bad choices, went to jail for it. Wound up getting sentenced with 6 months, 3 years of probation. And then during those 6 months, I wind up, instead of wasting my time when I was in Lincoln County, I decided to do something productive and get my HSCD while I'm in there.
We have individuals who have made mistakes, and we are there for them to say, hey, you have an opportunity to make different choices, and it can start right now. What path do you want to get on? What successes are you hoping to achieve? Let's build a plan that will make that happen.
I feel like NTC has done an excellent job with helping me as a student, push me to finish my HSCD, because I've had all the help I could ever ask for. Completed my HSCD, I felt like a little kid, and very proud of myself, because it's like, you put your mind to anything, you can do it, man.